Go ahead, hook the band around your foot, Steve. Now I want you to go and lay on your back and just put that up around the same side shoulder. And just let it rest right there. So we're using this continuous loop band to get this good core engagement. As we go through this rolling pattern, if he starts to kick this leg, this band is going to create a lot of pull, so he has to stay long on this side. We're going to start with an upper body roll. What I want to have Steve do, this is our flexion roll. I want you to reach your left arm up. You're going to slightly do a flexion with the chin, so I want you to reach your chin to your sternum, and now I want you to drive your nose into your armpit, and then reach your hand, reach. Stay long on that right side. So this band is doing a great job of turning on some core, making sure that he stays long on this side. This is our upper body roll. Now we're going to go through an extension roll to where he goes from his belly to his back. Good. That's going to be our upper body roll. Now there's also a lower body variation. We're going to keep the band hooked the exact same way. Now what I want Steve to do is keep the leg nice and low. The upper body is paralyzed. We're learning how to activate through the core to just let the lower body take us through this motion. And this is going to be our extension version. It's where he extends back, learn how to dissociate upper body, lower body. This is our core engaged rolling.